This is the Wyoming Electrician e-license public portal. The first step you want to do here is go to the Create Account button and click once, and then you should continue on to this next page where you'll provide demographic, address, and contact information. There's a couple items to watch for here. One, your full legal name as on a government issued ID should be specified in the first name, middle name, and last name. You need to provide your Social Security, your birth date, gender. This address information should be your primary address. And down below, we need at minimum your email address, a primary phone number, and alternate phone numbers. So let's fill this out. Once this form is completely filled out, you will scroll down to the bottom and click the Save button. It should take a couple seconds to save, and when it's complete, it will submit your account information to the fire marshal staff. At which point they will review your information and hook any existing licenses to your account. At which point they will send you a notification saying you're ready to log into the system. So at this point you'll be waiting for the next step, which will be submitting your government issued ID. And once again, you will not submit your government issued ID until you hear back via email from the Wyoming Electrical Safety staff.